For what?
So now video record each other now. No be serious the call and the call and talk.
Is it blocking? No. It's okay, it's okay. But the point I'm making is that we can't continue to ask for this invitation. If the vice admiral has a problem, he should know he should approach your office. It's not because you want to be a vice admiral, send soldiers to go and do that. What about those who don't have soldiers? Everybody, we are all citizens. What I want to do, if anybody can make it, and you continue to do so, for those who have broken the record, you cannot continue to work in the You are not the one to say we have documents. You are not the one. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So what? You're harder who than me. That you think you have okay. You can never develop this property. I will not allow it. If you want to kill everybody, kill everybody. You cannot. You put yourself in trouble.
My friend, you see the ability.